This may look like tasty beer, and it is, but it's so much more than that. It's hundreds of years of legacy, science, and mastery. Started in 1847, the Carlsberg Group is one of the leading brewers in the world. Carlsberg invented the pH scale. They discovered how to purify brewing yeast and shared it with the world. And they're committed to a zero carbon footprint in the years ahead. But today, this beer also represents thousands of lines of code, a digital transformation, security embedded in the workflow, and the world's most widely adopted AI developer tool. Because this is Carlsberg beer. And they use GitHub.
Hej, velkommen til Carlsberg.
Hi! So, Carlsberg has been around for 175 years, but continues to innovate. We're going to find out how.
Carlsberg was founded in 1847 here in Copenhagen, and our founder, J.C. Jacobsen, he was passionate about brewing, so that's really driven our innovation culture as a company. We need that innovation, whether it's in our products or whether it's in our technology that we use. Everything from securing our landscape to make sure we're protected from cybercrime, the way that we work with AI, all the way to our ways of interacting with our consumers. We look for a partner who's bringing new innovations to us. Technologies are fundamental for our success.
For me, it was easy to choose GitHub because I know it. But it's also easy to use something that everybody knows. We were using 6 or 7 different platforms in order to build software. That pulls people out of their flow. Now, with everything on GitHub, it is making us more efficient and allowing us to focus more on the solutions that we're building and the value that it brings. With GitHub Event Security, we're able to continuously improve our software and make it safer. We jumped on GitHub Actions also as an early adopter. And as soon as I got access to Copilot, I saw immediately the value it would bring. We're diving into Copilot chat. I love going to the GitHub Event Security overview and then just having peace of mind that we're driving security vulnerabilities down and that we're on top of things. Today we have 0 secrets in the repos in software engineering, and we continuously scan and we use push alerts. So if anyone is even trying to push a secret, it's immediately denied. GitHub is the most well-loved platform for building software. I don't think I have a single developer who would want to live without GitHub Copilot today.
Wow, all of your developers? Let's check with another one.
Hi, I'm João, I'm a developer at Carlsberg, and yes, I love GitHub Copilot.
Okay, fine. I believe you, João.
GitHub Copilot is magic. It helps make me more productive. My job is easier now, and I can focus on the really interesting parts and the fun that I have doing the job. With GitHub Copilot, I'm saving about 50% of time, and that's time that I can use to do other innovative things for Carlsberg.
Probably the best beer in the world.
Okay, so we're putting ads in these now. Great. Let's meet the scientists.
Hi, my name is Stefano. I'm a senior scientist at the Carlsberg Research Laboratory, and I'm going to tell you about how we use GitHub. If we think about it, beer is very simple. It's made of 4 ingredients. But producing high-quality brews at the commercial level is very complicated. We're using GitHub trying to combine machine learning capabilities and analytical chemistry to develop a tool that can predict beer quality. From the documentation of the coding to the development, we have a lot of sensitive data coming from our beers that we need to store, collect, and process in a collaborative way. It's the perfect platform for us to do what we need to do, making an industry more sustainable, a process more efficient, a product better. That makes it really, really exciting.
GitHub is proud to deliver cutting-edge software for Carlsberg and companies like it. Software that accelerates human progress. Now, I think someone mentioned a beer tasting.